यंग साइंटिस्ट अवार्ड इस कैटेगरी में डॉक्टर तारा सिंह ठाकुर के बारे में और बताना चाहूँ। इन्होंने बहुत अच्छी किताब लिखी है जिसमें जो भी अंडर यूटिलाइज्ड फ्लावर्स, अंडर यूटिलाइज्ड प्लांट्स हैं उनको कैसे वैल्यूएशन करते हैं, कैसे उनको यूजेबल बना सकते हैं। सो गिव बिग हैंड फॉर हर। बहुत मेहनती हैं और काफी अच्छा काम ये मंडी में कर रहे हैं। कांग्रेचुलेशन।
Good afternoon everyone. With permission of chair, can I start my presentation? So my topic is domestication of some nutritionally important wild edible plants of Mandi, Himachal Pradesh, northwestern Himalaya for boosting health, immunity, rural prosperity and food security. As we know that we have seen an increasing double burden of malnutrition worldwide, facing shortage of calories at one end and excess at the other. And it has challenged contemporary agriculturists, horticulturists and food scientists all over the world to seek alternative pathway for domestication, diversification and utilization of vast untapped wild edible plants as a source to feed day by day growing population with shrinking of agricultural land. So unlocking of wild food plants as a future possible food crops will thus support sustainable agriculture at one hand and ensure food security, immunity and rural prosperity at other. Wild food plants are source of food, medicines and food supplements. It is estimated that near about 3,69,000 plants have been identified so far, but near about 3,000 to 7,000 plants have been utilized for food till now, according to the latest data. And it shows that there is great need of diversification of the wild food plant for human benefit. Some of the wild food plants are also source of important genes which can be employed for crop improvement, and thus they can provide us a healthy food. This type of studies will be helpful to list up the plants which are the suitable for domestication at a particular locality. So this type of studies has not been undertaken in Mandi district. So it will undertaken with following main objective: to list up diversity, distribution and nativity of wild edible plants of Mandi which can be domesticated, to know their indigenous uses and their role in boosting health, immunity and rural prosperity, to know need of domestication and commercialization of wild edible plants for rural prosperity. So this is my study area. You can see herpes and altitudinal range, and it is based mainly on the primary as well as secondary data. Especially we have worked on people biodiversity register preparation as well as the studies. And result are 32 plants I documented which are helpful for domestication. These belong to 23 families and 20 genera, and the dominant family is Dioscoriaceae, while the genus is Dioscorea. So here is the diversity of the plants. Then maximum plant parts which can be utilized are fruits followed by leaves, and 9 species are native while rest are non-native. So here are the list of the plants which are recommended for the domestication. These are the pics of these plants, and you can see these are also rich in nutrients. So all these plants are I have documented which are suitable for domestication. Even these plants, especially Dioscorea species, we have started their cultivation also, and we can see that we have collected their seeds and distributed to community. So these are the other plants. These all plants are very important to boost immunity, especially in COVID period, because we can see many of them are rich in zinc, manganese, magnesium, vitamin A and C. These are the list of the plants. You can see Morchella, Esculenta, Cinnamon, Dioscorea, etc. These are also rich in market value, so they add to or they help to uplift the socio-economic status of rural community, as you can see in these diagrams. Why we need to domesticate them? Okay, sir. Okay, sir. No problem. So we can see that what are the main focus area where we need to work. That is large scale multiplication of the plant by tissue culture and other means, and their distribution. So this is all about. Thank you. Thank you.
Very nice presentation. Thank you, madam. Any question?
Have you studied the nutrient profile of this? No, ma'am, we have documented from the earlier, and we are planning to, and I have submitted 2 more
Very
projects
good
for
work.
this.
If you carry on.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations, thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Now I invite